Hi there, this is Victor. You're welcome to my tutorial. I'll be showing you how to log in, to update, and to manage your website. So when you type the URL of your website, you will put /login in front of it, and you press enter. It brings you to the login page, and so you just type in the username and password. In this case, it is Integrity 2019. The password will also be given to you either through email or WhatsApp. Once you click login, it brings you into the login area, and so you can see how it looks. Now, when you want to add a page, you click, and you want to do anything, you come to this side. One of the things you quickly do when you log in is to update the website. When you see this red here, it shows that there are things you need to update. So you just click on the update link. When you click on it, it opens up, and you click here. This for the theme. You upload it. You update the thing. You click here. You upload a plugin. So let's start with the plugin first. You click. If there are more than one, you can update everything. All at once. Okay, it's going to take some time, but you wait for it. Once it's done, the same thing you do for the same way you upload the plugin or update the plugin, you also update the theme. Okay. It's a little bit slow because my system is overloaded. There are so many things going on in the background. As you can see, the plugin has updated. So if you still click that update again, it's still showing you there's still one more remaining, and that's the theme. You can click select all and just click update. It shouldn't take much time, with good internet, and if your system is not too overloaded with background activities. But whatever the case, you can just wait for it, and once it's done, you are good to move on to the next step. So once it updates, that is very important. You keep updating every time, at least once. Anytime you log in, you see that you update. Once a week is good. In fact, once a day. In some cases, if you can do it daily, if you can do it once in 3 days, as often as you need to. It's important to keep updating for security reasons. Thank you. Welcome back. When you log in, this is exactly what you see, and right now we want to create a contact us page. So I'm going to come to page and click add new. Anytime you want to create a new page, just come to page, create add new page. Although it's not recommended that you just keep creating pages upon pages. Everything has to be well planned anyways. Add new page, I'll call it vacancy, and I'll click publish. Once you do that, that page will be ready for editing. So the next thing can be to click edit with Elementor, and when you click edit, it brings you to the environment where you will be able to edit that page and create it the way you want. So I'm going to stop there right now. Thank you. Welcome back. I would just like to show you, how to add a contact, a vacancy page. You can use this method to add virtually any other page that you may want to add. So the first thing is to click add new page and type the title of the page. So in this case is vacancy, and what I'll do, under template here, I'll choose Elementor Canvas. Okay, and I'll click publish. Once you do that, your page is ready, and you just click edit. You'll now be able to edit that page. That page has been created. You just need to edit it. It's a blank page right now. So when you edit it, you can see it's blank. You can now put other. Hello. In order to create pages, one will need to just be able to click on this add new page. You come to add new page. You can click add new from here, either of these ways, or you just click, you know, you just click add new. Once you come to pages, you click add new, and you can type in the name of the page you want to create. In this case, is vacancy. You might just change some settings at this side. You choose the Elementor canvas. Then you can choose the parent. It's going to be under, all pages we are going to be creating will be under these categories. Any new page, let it be under this category. So this one is under contacts. So you click publish. That's it. The thing to do is to position that page. We have completely created that page for the vacancy. So we want to put it under contact us in the menu, so that on the menu people can be able to access it. So one thing we can do about that is to go to the menu. That's found under appearance. You come to menu. So under menu, you now you realize that it's already identified here. So what you just do is to click that vacancy and click add to menu. So when you do that, you now drag it to this place. Make sure you leave some space. It shouldn't be in front at the back. So just click save. So in that case, this particular page will appear as a sub page for contacts, for the contact. To create another page that is called vacancy, we'll click on pages, or we'll just put our mouse over the pages and click add new. Click add new pages, and once you do that, you can just type in vacancy there. Come to your right hand side here and choose the parents. You can choose the parent to be vacancy. You can, the parents is the contact is going to be under contact us menu. So then is an Elementor canvas. You click that, then you click publish. When you click publish, you click edit with Elementor. When you do that, it brings you to the environment where you can customize that page to work. So we want to create we want to edit and design that page. It gives us, it has given us a blank page, that vacancy page. So we can just add. We firstly add. Click on this add a structure to it. We want the heading to come, so we'll click that and we'll click the heading. The heading is what heading are we going to use? I think we should use let's use submit your resume. Submit your resume, something like that. Submit your resume, and we can also add another text editor there under it. But before we go there, let's pick another line. I want to create a page for people to download the admission form. So we're going to click add new. We'll click on page, we'll click on page, add new, add new page. If you click on add new page, it comes again. So you just say, let's just call this page admission form, admission, let's just call it admission. Let's just call that page admission. Let's let it be under let it be under contact us as well. Okay, maybe under contact us as well. And it might be a parent, but if it's a parent, this thing, the menu section will not. Now we want to create a page for admissions, and that's where we're going to put the form, the admission form that people will download. So the same procedure, click add new page, type the title of the page, which is admission, then select this. Let it be a parent menu, because I'm going to put it on the menu and take away something from the menu so that it can be obvious. So we can leave it as is, and click publish. Click publish. So when we click publish, we'll click edit with Elementor as we have been doing. Okay, uh, it's just a very simple page, and just so once it comes up like this, we can of course add every other element to build this. So to create the registration form, we would, as in to put the registration form online for people to download, we have created this admission page. So we want to try to put that form inside this admission page. So what do? We will, like we have been doing before, click and create the, create the contact. We'll create the title, and so we'll just put the title there and call this one. We can call it. I've actually typed some things out that we can use. Okay, so you can say download student. You put the title. You can also put more text. You can make the R to be capital. Then we can add another section on it, and just pick another section. Let's make this text editor. So here we can now put the other words, and I've typed down one to save us time. So you just put your words there. That is what they should do. This is just the instruction for anybody that needs to download this. We can of course work on the typography to make it a little more. Same thing here, we can make it a little bolder so that people can see what's there. You can click updates once we are finished. Actual form, all we just need to do is to also put a download button there and link it with the document itself. So how we're going to do that also, we're going to put another section, and this time around we'll look for button, pick button, would now we need to change this text on the button and call it we call it download. Instead of click here, say download form. Okay, click updates, and the next thing is to upload the actual file onto the software. The actual file will come to the dashboard and come to media. Inside media, that's where you will be able to upload photo, video, any other file you need to upload. So but make sure the file size is no more than 8 megabytes. That's the maximum you can upload. So you can click on this. So I want to just bring in that file. That file is the file. So I click upload. Okay, that's the documents, the form that was sent to me. So all I need the URL, where I need the URL. So I'll click this place. This is where the URL is. I can just select it so I can copy it. So this is the link that will be used to come to this particular document. So what we'll do is we are going to locate, we're going to locate where we uploaded the form. This is, remember media, inside media we click add new and we uploaded this form. So we're just going to click the page, this form page, copy the URL and come and put that here. Okay, so we'll just select everything here and paste that. Okay, form URL and would update. It's important to check the Outlook so that in case there's a problem you can be able to rectify it. This is the admission page, so let's refresh that page again and see if there are changes. If somebody clicks the download, then the form comes up, so they can just be able to save. About it is to convert the picture, because the form that was sent to me is actually JPEG, it's a picture. So the other way is to convert it to PDF, which I have done. So I can now action just in case somebody cannot. This is a PDF version. I'll upload it so that people can just click and download without hassles instead of going through the other way. So I'm going to select the PDF link here. Now click copy, and then the next thing I'll do is to change this URL to the PDF so that PDF is still easier to work with more than this. So I'll upload. So if that happens, then we can check it again and see how it displays. Admission, so we may need to go to the menu. We may need to just check out the menu and arrange it properly. The admission page is ready, so we'll click it, then click add to menu. Oh, it's already on the menu, sorry. Let me delete that. It's already on the menu. Let me remove it. So if the admission page is there, then I think there's no problem. Somebody clicks it, it's done, then it's done. Back, I want to show you how to make pages. So we're going to make an additional page, or maybe a section. What we can do, if you want to edit an existing page, which is we want to edit the contact us page, we just come, we'll click on the select all pages so that all pages will be displayed, all the pages that are there. So this is a contact page that we have. We can just always use edit with Elementor. If you have to make any adjustment on any page, if you want to adjust this contact us page, you just click edit with Elementor, and that will obviously show us, take us to the environment. This is the environment where we edit. This the site builder, and it's a drag and drop editor. We just need to drag and you right click it and click edit text, come to style, then you choose this to centralize. If it looks good, then one can at least stay there. That's and if you still prefer it to be where it was, fine. You can just play around it, the one that you think looks better to the eyes, the one that works most for you. And if you feel it still doesn't work, fine, you can you can duplicate the section so that one way or the other it brings this, and you delete this one away. So that's another way to tactically bring it to this side, and then you click update. So once you update, you know that that is settled for this particular section. Thank you. At the editing environment. So what you want to do now is to add a vacancy section. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to just, if you move your mouse over this particular section, you realize that there's a plus. If you click on this section, you see this option coming up. That means you can add another section to it. So if you click it, it comes up at least. You click and you can have a section, and let's put this heading inside this section. Let's call it vacancy, vacancy, vacancy. Another thing, yeah, you're also going to make another section. Okay, time has gone. Yeah, welcome back. One of the tricks that we'll need to use if we want to create additional contact page for vacancy, we want to create a separate contact page for vacancy. What we can do, one of the tricks we can use, is to save our existing one as a template. We'll save this contact page that we already have. But please, let's delete this particular vacancy that we've had before. So let's just let me just update, and so what I'm about to do is just to save this contacts as a template that we can reuse. Contacts, contact. Let's call it contact one. Okay, so having saved that, if we create a new page entirely that is contacts page, we can use some of the things we have used there again. Okay, it makes. Now we are going to make the vacancy page. So we'll click on pages and click on add new pages, and we'll type under the title here, we'll type vacancy. Okay, and when that is done, we'll come here, we'll choose the parents category, which is contacts us, and we'll choose Elementor Canvas. So after doing that, you click publish. That's supposed to give you a start. Then you click edit with Elementor. Each time you want to create a page, always click edit with Elementor. Always click edit with Elementor. Now it's going to give you this blank canvas that we're going to work with. So, but firstly, let's bring in that template we created. This contacts, we'll just insert it and click yes. Contact us page. So we just edit this to for vacancy contacts. Okay, so we're going to try to put an heading there. We'll put an heading there, and okay, let's add a section. Let's call that section. Okay, let's call that section vacancy, and just type vacancy here. Okay, and we'll put another message there. Before we put the message, let's add another section for message, and we'll put this in that section. I'll say send your resume. When someone, when you have put the title there, we just need to type in, the instructions. We have already put vacancy up here, so this title should just be like an instruction on like how to, how to apply for job here or something. So let's just copy and paste what I've written down here to save time. Copy, and just paste how to apply for job here. Okay, and under that we'll just give the instruction of how to do that. We'll copy this also and paste it on how. Okay, so that anybody, and once that is done, you just click update. That site, that gives instruction. Of course, you can edit it further to make it bigger. But further edit this, what you just do is increase this font. If you click on this box, you can right click like this, edit column, then you come here. When you click the heading and come to style, come to typography, then you can increase the size so that at least it's more visible and more attractive. Then this one too, you can, is a text editor. You can right click also and arrange it the way you like. You can also make it a little bigger so that at least one way or the other the person gets so it gets some attention from it. You can change the color and things like that. So something like this should be okay. You can centralize this. You can just you know can centralize this like I was saying. Although you since they are in the same section, if you have to centralize everything, will have to be in central. So I think it's still better is here. Uh, Other option is to create more sections where this single section will split to like three, and all will stand in one single section. That's another way around that. But because of time, I won't want to go into the details of that. Although, well, we might just duplicate, duplicate and something like that. And in each of the section, you delete something that you don't want, and delete that. You leave all alone here, okay? You leave only all here. Still trying to centralize it. So you just, like I said, remove the ones you don't want. Like in this case now, I want only all to remain in this section. So I'm going to delete every other thing showing in this section that is not all. Okay. So and for this one, I'll leave just this. Okay, that's an easy way around it. Okay, so once that is done, you can see at least it looks better to the eyes. Okay, yes. So this you can now centralize this alone. Da, 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 da. Only this one to be centralized. So to answer the question of how do I add pictures to gallery and how do I upload video to the news and all that. So what we're going to do now, we're going to create uh, we're going to create a picture. I mean, we're going to add edit the gallery. So the gallery is actually a page. So we're just going to locate that gallery page. This is the gallery page. So you click edit with Elementor. So once you do that, it will take you to where you can edit the gallery, and you'll be able to upload more pictures, upload more pictures. These are what's there presently. So to add more to this, you can see it's much. To add more to this, all you just need to do is right click on this and click edit gallery. Click when you right click and it brings you to edit gallery. You see from here, all you just need to do is add a new item. You click on add new item. So in this case now, we have item from the MTN this thing. So MTN, what's it called now? I've forgotten the name, but we can check it up. I typed it down so that I'll just be able to copy and paste it. We have a gallery for students of Tafawa Balewa, student at Tafawa Balewa Square. So we can enter that. Let me just paste that here. Okay. Students at Onikon. So let's just call it student at TBS. Let's call it student at TBS. It has to be short. It can't be that long. Okay. So that's the problem with that particular one with TBS. Okay. So the next thing is to now upload the pictures. You click on that, then you click select. The pictures, of course, should already be on the computer. So I'm going to click where I saved the pictures. I'll just try to track that out. The student at TBS should be from here to here, somewhere here. So I'm going to select all the ones that are at TBS. So once it uploads, it automatically goes into that position in the gallery. So this is the first one. You can do the second one. Just when the picture completes uploading, the next thing you can see is it has completely uploaded. The next thing is to click create new gallery. We just click create new gallery. You click insert gallery, and then you can see the pictures coming up here. You can see student student off. We should change that to student at TBS. Okay, change that to student at TBS, and then you just click updates. I think that's all. That's all. For this one, I can see the one is showing as student. I don't know if there's anything inside it. Students. Okay, that one. We should change this one to VS, student VS. You click updates. That corrects that. So student VS. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to make a blog post. This is what you do each time you want to upload a new news. You want to put something inside the news and article. You want to put new content inside news and articles. You want to upload a video, entertainment. You want to, something that is happening in the school. You just want to show it. So this is what you do. Okay, so let's just dive into it straight away. We'll go to the admin panel once again. This is the admin dashboard, and you click add post. Okay, this under post, you just click add post. Once you click add post, it brings you to this place, and what you do then is to put the title of whatever you want to do. In this case, it's want to put the news of the competition that the school won. So I'm going to make this my title. Okay, I've typed it. So when you come to the add post section, you are required to put the title of whatever you want to put. It's good to put a catchy title. So the title should at least describe what the post is all about. So let me just copy quickly that title once again, and then I'll just paste it here. Looks like there's an issue here. Let me just, okay, no, very good, that's pasted. So once that is done, the next thing, just choose the category. This, because it's secondary school reports, so it's going to be under secondary school. So the next thing is just to click publish. So once you click publish, it comes to this point. Then the next thing is to click edit with Elementor. You click that edit with Elementor. When you click that, it brings you to where you can be able to put in all the content, the write-up, the video, whatever you want to put. Now it all depends on you. So right now you can decide whatever you want to put. You can see here that it's already showing that there's a post there. So in this case, we have pictures, we have a video, and we have a text, we have a write-up. So those are things that we want to put into this particular video. So to put the text, just click here. Okay, then you can add a text element from here. I select the featured image, it shows in this right side. So right now I think we are good to go. We're good to go. The next thing is to publish. You click publish, and when you publish it, you click edit with Elementor. Click edit with Elementor. So when we do that, it brings us to where we can add more things. And okay, you can see the picture showing, the title showing. So the next thing is to put the content of the, to put more details, the write-up itself. We have a write-up already. So what we're going to do is to add a section to it, and put a text editor and inside there. Put a text editor is going to show you this. So what you can do, you just populate that place with the article or the write-up. In this case, the write-up is here. I can just pick it. We'll copy and paste. I noticed there's a mistake too here. The title is not correct. Okay, I think it's correct. The student of, yeah, it's correct. So it's just written in different ways. Okay. So once that is done, you can click publish again to update where we are so far. Okay. The next thing is to add a video to it, and we can still change this title if it's not the exact title. We can go back to where we can change it. Alright, maybe we'll do that in the next video. In a case where we want to correct the title, so we just come to post, click all posts to show all the posts here, and we can click edit. We can just click edit here, and when we click edit, it brings us back to this place, and we can easily just change the title. This is the title I would prefer to use because it's the one that shows that the school emerged the winner. So I'm going to place this and paste it. I'll click this. So once that is done, then that correction is automatically made. So I can update that. So once that is done, the next thing I want to do is to continue the editing by adding the video. That's the only thing remaining on that page. We need to put the video also. In order to add video, so what we're also going to do is to come here, pick this video, and we'll drag it. So to do that, we need to create a section. Let's make this like duplicate this so that you have one section for video, the other for text. So I can bring that video element here. Okay, and once that is there, I should be able to upload the link for the video. This is the link of the video on YouTube, so I'm going to just paste it here, and that will settle the matter. Once I paste that, it will show automatically.